Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you are a high-level professional, whether you are an architect, a data scientist, a 3D animator, a software engineer, or hardcore business executive who demands absolute desktop-level power while on the go, you have clicked on exactly the right video. Today, we are taking an incredibly deep dive into an absolute monster of a mobile workstation. I am talking about the highly anticipated 2026 Dell Precision 7680 business laptop. Now, we review a lot of laptops on this channel, but every once in a while, a machine comes across my desk that completely redefines what portable performance actually means. With an Intel Core i7-13850HX processor, a dedicated NVIDIA RTX 1000 Ada generation GPU, a staggering 64 gigabytes of next-generation CAMM memory, and an absolutely massive 8 terabytes of solid-state storage, this is not just a laptop, this is a portable supercomputer designed to completely crush the heaviest and most demanding workloads you can possibly throw at it. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details of this incredible machine, I want to quickly remind you that if you want to check the current pricing, read more user reviews, or pick up this exact beast for yourself, I have left a direct Amazon link right down in the description below. Clicking that link is the absolute best way to support this channel so we can keep bringing you these high-quality, in-depth tech reviews. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get right into the review. Let's kick things off by talking about the overall design, the aesthetics, and the build quality. The Dell Precision lineup has historically always been known for its premium, no-nonsense, enterprise-grade aesthetic, and the 7680 continues that prestigious legacy perfectly. It comes in a stunning, highly professional color that Dell calls Titan Gray. It completely screams executive boardroom, while secretly hiding an absolute beast of hardware on the inside. When we look at the physical dimensions, it measures 14.04 inches long, 10.19 inches wide, and incredibly, it sits at just 1.01 inches thick. For a machine packing this much thermal output and raw power, keeping it down to a 1-inch thickness is nothing short of engineering magic. It feels incredibly solid, rigid, and durable in the hand, which is exactly what you expect when you're investing in a top-tier enterprise machine from Dell. Opening the lid, you are immediately greeted by a fantastic backlit keyboard. If you're someone who works late into the night or on dimly lit overnight flights, that bright, even backlight is an absolute lifesaver. Furthermore, Dell has brilliantly managed to include a dedicated numeric keypad on the right side. If your daily routine involves heavy data entry, managing massive Excel spreadsheets, or running complex financial modeling, you already know how absolutely crucial a real physical numpad is. You'll also notice there is no optical drive here, which is the standard for modern laptops, as it keeps the overall weight down and maximizes the internal chassis space for advanced cooling systems and battery capacity. Moving right along to the visual and auditory experience, the Dell Precision 7680 features a genuinely gorgeous 16-inch LED display. It rocks a very sharp native resolution of 1920 by 1200. Now, I want you to notice that specific resolution. That is a 16 by 10 aspect ratio. Unlike your standard 16 by 9 widescreen monitors, this slightly taller display gives you significantly more vertical screen real estate. In the real world, this means you spend much less time scrolling. When you are writing hundreds of lines of code, reading long PDF documents, or stacking multiple audio and video tracks in your editing timeline, one of my absolute favorite features of this specific display panel is the anti-glare coating. If you travel often, work in brightly lit corporate offices, or simply enjoy taking your laptop to a sunny coffee shop patio, you will not be fighting those annoying glossy screen reflections. Sitting right above that beautiful display, we have a crisp, high-definition 1080p camera paired with a high-quality integrated microphone and HD audio speakers. As we move through 2026, remote work, hybrid schedules, and virtual meetings are more prevalent than they have ever been. With this specific audio-visual setup, you are absolutely guaranteed to look sharp, professional, and sound incredibly clear on all of your Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet conference calls. All right, let's get into the main event, the raw performance. This is where the Dell Precision 7680 truly justifies its intimidating title as a premier mobile workstation. Beating at the heart of this machine is the phenomenal Intel Core i7-13850HX processor. The HX suffix in Intel's processor lineup is incredibly important to note because this is quite literally a desktop-class processor that has been expertly squeezed into a laptop form factor. This absolute beast of a CPU features an unbelievable 20 individual processing cores running with a base speed of 2.3 GHz. What does having 20 cores mean for you in your daily workflow? It means absolutely zero bottlenecks. If you were compiling massive amounts of complicated software code, simultaneously running multiple virtual machines, or processing incredibly heavy data sets, these 20 cores will chew through those tasks flawlessly and without hesitation. You can easily have dozens of Chrome tabs open, a 4K video rendering in the background, and a complex 3D CAD file open all at the exact same time, and this laptop will not even break a sweat. It is purpose-built from the ground up for extreme, uncompromising multitasking. Now, as any tech enthusiast knows, a powerful processor is virtually useless without excellent memory to back it up, and Dell has completely revolutionized laptop memory with this specific model. This workstation comes loaded with a staggering 64 GB of DDR5 RAM. But it is not just your standard run-of-the-mill RAM. It utilizes Dell's highly innovative CAMM technology. CAMM stands for Compression Attached Memory Module. This brilliant new engineering standard allows the memory modules to be significantly thinner and placed much closer to the CPU itself, which pushes the memory clock speeds to a blistering 5200 to 5210 MHz. Having 64 GB of ultra-fast DDR5 is more than enough memory to completely future-proof your professional workflow for many years to come. And then, my friends, there is the storage. I was genuinely blown away when I read the spec sheet for this. This specific configuration boasts an absolutely massive 8 TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe solid-state drive. Let me repeat that. 8 TB of internal SSD storage. For the vast majority of creative and business professionals, carrying around bulky external hard drives is just a necessary evil. They're clunky, they're easy to lose, they take up valuable desk space, and they often slow down your workflow. With an 8 TB internal drive, you can easily store years and years worth of uncompressed 4K video footage, massive 3D rendering cache files, and gigantic complex databases directly on your laptop without ever worrying about running out of space. Plus, because it utilizes the blazing fast PCIe Gen 4 interface, your Windows 11 Pro boot times, your heavy application loading times, and your massive file transfer speeds are all practically instantaneous.
Let's pivot and talk about the graphical capabilities. If you are a casual consumer or a gamer, you're probably familiar with the standard NVIDIA GeForce lineup. However, because this is a dedicated, serious business machine, it is equipped with the highly specialized, professional-grade NVIDIA RTX 1000 Ada generation graphics coprocessor, complete with 6 GB of dedicated GDDR6 VRAM. Why should you care about the Ada generation professional cards? Because industry-standard professional applications like AutoCAD, SolidWorks, Autodesk Maya, and Adobe Premiere Pro are specifically engineered, optimized, and officially certified to run on NVIDIA's Workstation GPUs. While gaming graphics cards are entirely focused on pushing maximum frame rates, the RTX 1000 Ada prioritizes absolute pixel-perfect precision, system stability, and flawless render accuracy. If your business or livelihood relies heavily on 3D modeling, high-resolution architectural rendering, or complex artificial intelligence and machine learning, having this dedicated workstation GPU is exactly what you need to ensure your software runs smoothly, never crashes, and renders your projects in record-breaking time. Finally, a true mobile workstation needs to seamlessly connect to everything in your office ecosystem. The Precision 7680 is fully loaded with all the ports you could possibly need. You get a very generous total of 5 USB ports, giving you plenty of room to plug in your favorite mouse, external keyboards, drawing tablets, and other necessary peripherals. It also brilliantly includes a full-sized HDMI port, meaning you can easily plug straight into external desktop monitors or boardroom projectors during an important presentation without ever needing to remember to bring an annoying, flimsy dongle. Plus, there's a built-in memory card slot, which is a massive, highly appreciated bonus for professional photographers and videographers who need to offload media from their cameras as quickly as possible. For your wireless connectivity, it features cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6E on the 802.11ax standard, along with Bluetooth 5.3. This guarantees you get the fastest, most stable wireless internet connection speeds available in the world today, along with flawless, uninterrupted connections to your wireless headphones. Powering all of this top-tier hardware is a reliable lithium-ion battery that is rated to give you around 6 hours of battery life. When you keep in mind that this machine is running power-hungry desktop-class components like an HX processor and dedicated Ada graphics, 6 hours of moderate use is highly respectable and gives you plenty of juice to work efficiently on a long flight. So, what is the final verdict here? The 2026 Dell Precision 7680 is clearly not designed for the casual web browser or the occasional college student. It is a very serious, calculated investment for very serious professionals. If your daily livelihood depends entirely on your computer's performance and you simply cannot afford to deal with system lag, frustratingly long render times, or the constant fear of running out of storage space, this is unequivocally the ultimate solution. The magical combination of that 20-core Intel i7 processor, the professional RTX 1000 Ada GPU, the lightning-fast 64GB of CAMM memory, and that unbelievable 8 terabytes of internal storage makes this one of the most incredibly capable laptops on the global market today. It is quite literally a desktop supercomputer that you can effortlessly slide right into your backpack. If you're ready to massively upgrade your daily workflow and invest in the Dell Precision 7680, make sure you click that link right down in the description. It will take you straight over to the official Amazon page, where you can secure the absolute best current price and get super fast shipping straight to your door. Thank you all so incredibly much for watching today. If you found this deep dive review helpful, please do me a huge favor and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more high-end professional tech reviews, and drop a comment below letting me know exactly what you would do with 8 terabytes of storage. I will see you all in the very next video.